we have to pick our grand prize winner, our grand prize inventor, our inventor that we're going to say we believe in and we know the product's going to sell like all the rest.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, I have to say I'm proud to announce Lane with the CD poster.
Lane with the
So the kids have stuff all over their room. That was the mother or the father of invention of this product. In fact, you may have seen it featured on the Montel Show. It is an award-winning product. We're going to give you all the details. $19.95. This is the only place you can get it, and incidentally, 1,500 to go around, and that is it. And when they are gone, they are gone.
It's very easy to install. You just take the units and you snap them together. When it's assembled, then you slide the CDs in, and it uses the groove on the back side of the CD, and it catches that as it slides in to hold it in place. And you can always access the CDs once they're in there, and they just open up to pull out your CD. To hang on the wall, you can just use hooks, nails, or screws.
All right, wildly popular already. Do you know almost half the quantity gone already? If you want it, like I said, it's an HSN exclusive. The alternative. Any other storage solution that I'm aware of is anywhere from 6 to 8 inches to try and store CDs. I've never seen anything like this.
And then the cost. Some of these storage units are $150.
No.
And then they get knocked over, and then they get damaged, and you got a whole nother problem.
Absolutely. Again, I hope you're calling. Great for gift giving. Start thinking for the holidays too. And anyone, if they love music, if you have a music lover, if you have a movie lover, if the grandkids or your kids love video games, get them this, because every parent's worst nightmare is, you know, the kids have too many games, too much stuff, how do I store it? This is exactly how, for less than $20, it's just a steal.